Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Xbox. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Xbox application on your device, and once you open it up, wait for the application to update and load. Once you are taken inside the application, click on the sign in button at the top left corner or within the center of the app. And when you click on this, you will be asked to log in using your account. If you already have your Microsoft account connected with your device, then you may also use this account in order to log in. But if you wish to use a different account, you can click on the Use a Different Account option. Then click on Continue, and you will be asked to enter your email address or your phone number. Just type in your email address and click on the next button, and then enter your account password within the password box. After entering both of these credentials, click on the Sign In button, and you will be logged in to your Xbox account right away. You might be asked to enter the PIN or the password that you use to log into your device. But if you haven't set a password, then you will not be prompted to do so. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Xbox. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.